You have been programmed with a benevolent lie, a poison served on a silver platter of morality. The lie is that helping is a strength, that your kindness is a virtue, that your compassion is a sign of a superior character. The matrix of mediocrity, with its chorus of the needy and the weak, has conditioned you to believe that your highest purpose is to solve the problems of others, to offer your strength to the struggling, to give your resources to the less fortunate. Machiavelli would look upon this programming and see not a saint, but a fool destined for ruin. Your compassion has been weaponized against you. It is the open gate through which your enemies, your friends, and the endlessly incompetent drain your power, your time, and your will. Every time you help someone who did not strategically earn it, you are not lifting them up. You are subsidizing their weakness and financing your own demise. The dark truth of power is that help is a transaction, and you are consistently getting the worse end of the deal. Machiavelli warned that a prince who is too generous will be the first to fall. Why? Because human nature is a brutal calculus of self-interest. When you give freely, you are not met with lasting gratitude. You are met with escalating expectation. The hand you feed today will be the one that demands more tomorrow, and the one that bites you when you can no longer provide. Your help devalues your power. It teaches people that your resources are infinite and easily obtained. This does not breed respect. It breeds contempt. They see you not as a powerful benefactor, but as a public utility, something to be used and discarded. The love you think you are earning is fleeting, but the resentment you will create when you eventually say no is eternal. Consider the three poisons of misguided kindness. First, it breeds ingratitude. People have short memories for favors received, but photographic recall for slights and denials. Your 100 acts of generosity will be erased by the single instance you refuse. You are building your castle on the sand of public opinion, a fool's errand. Second, it creates dependency. You are not helping them, you are crippling them. By solving their problems, you rob them of the strength they would have gained by facing their own battles. You create a legion of weak, entitled dependents who see your strength not as an inspiration, but as an obligation. You become the host for a swarm of parasites. Third, and most critically, it depletes you. Your most finite resources are not money or assets. They are your focus, your energy, and your time. These are the building blocks of your empire. Every moment you spend on another's crisis is a stone you did not lay for your own fortress. The Machiavellian sovereign understands this. His help is not a reflex. It is a calculated investment. He never helps out of pity or a socially programmed sense of duty. He helps only when the return on investment serves his grand strategy. He asks not, "How can I help them?" but "How does helping them help me?" This cold, brutal question is the shield that protects him from the abyss of mediocrity. Often, the most powerful move is strategic inaction. To watch, to observe, and to let others struggle. In their struggle, they either forge their own strength or reveal their fatal weaknesses. Both are valuable pieces of intelligence. By refusing to intervene, you force them to respect your boundaries. You teach them that your power is a guarded treasure, not a public fountain. This creates an aura of authority and self-respect that no amount of people-pleasing can ever buy. You must unlearn the virtue of being the savior. Your purpose is not to carry the world on your shoulders. It is to build a world of your own. This requires you to become ruthless with your yes. Your default answer to the world's pleas must become a calm, unwavering no. The guilt, programmed into you since birth, will surface. This is the slave mentality dying. You must let it go. Your kindness should be a rare and precious jewel, given only to those who have proven their worth and whose allegiance directly contributes to your power. To everyone else, you offer a polite, impenetrable wall. Let them call you selfish. Let them call you cold. Their labels are the desperate cries of parasites who have been denied their host. Their judgment is the highest compliment. It is proof that you have finally become a sovereign of your own energy. If this message resonates with you, it is because you have felt the bitter sting of ingratitude. You have felt your energy drain away into the black holes of other people's problems. You are not here by accident. You are here because you are ready to stop being a resource and start being a ruler. The knowledge you have received is irreversible. The seed of sovereign selfishness has been planted. This channel is not a charity. It is a war council for builders of empires. Therefore, commenting, "My power is my own," is not for an algorithm. It is a declaration of independence. It is a pact you make with yourself to guard your energy as the sacred source of your ambition. Subscribe and activate the signal. Join the legion that understands that true power begins the moment you stop giving it away. Now go and reclaim what is yours.